Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we are cleaning Mark McCann's E92 BMW M3. Probably one of my favourite M3s that was ever made. It's the V8 edition. Sounds absolutely lovely. But we're doing a full clean on this at the moment. So as you can see, it's in quite a state. It's been quite neglected, which is essentially why we're here. So we're going to do a full transformation on the outside of the vehicle only. So clean up, we've actually cleaned up it a little bit already, but we're going to do a lot more work on here. We'll do some light engine bay cleaning as well. Get this car looking absolutely fantastic. So again, if any of you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more content from Clean Me, and let's get straight into it.
Bless you.
By the way guys, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just as well as this car, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the Clean Me app today, and you can book a mobile car clean that will come to your location. You don't have to travel to a unit or travel to like a traditional car wash. We come to you, and we've got a nationwide marketplace of vetted professionals who are the best at their job, so you know that your car will always be taken care of. So again, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just like this, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the Clean Me app. Link is in the bio to do either of those options.
because I thought I was done.
Yeah.
I can smell Maguire's tyre shine. The good tyres are going to be few and far between.
Up until about 2 years ago, raining.
More big. That's a big one.
And that is a wrap for this absolutely lovely BMW M3. If you remember before, this car was an absolute mess. It was covered in leaves, covered in dirt. We've really managed to spruce up now and bring it back to the standard that it really should be. And I'm quite a fan of these cars. I do like the BMW E92 M3. I also think it looks very modern, considering how old this car is now, which is pretty crazy, actually. Shows how old I am, and some of you guys are now as well. But it's been an absolute pleasure working on this car. Again, it was just an exterior clean. We did a lot of Mark's cars in this day, exterior cleans only, but it needed to be done. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, share it with someone you know, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.